It's about documenting results and the cleaning process, capturing cleaning changes, embrace change logs, creating a change log, why documentation is important, feedback and cleaning. Alright, let's do the test. Number one, why is it important for data analysts to document the evolution of a data set? Select all that apply to recover data cleaning errors, to inform other users of changes, to determine the quality of data, to identify best practices in the collection of data. No. Number two, while cleaning data, documentation is used to track change deletions, changes, errors. Yeah. Number three, documenting data cleaning makes it possible to achieve what goals. Be transparent, yeah. Demonstrate to project stakeholders, yeah. Visualize the results. No. Yep, that's it. Thank you.